6713. Show me code 6 to active shooter.
521. Sorry, a card for a parking problem.
Drop the gun. Drop it now.
Foreigner 23.
Drop it now. Control 6713. I got eyes on the subject. Requesting backup at airship. Drop it now. Control 6713. Shots have been fired. Officer is in the shots over. Drop the gun now! Drop it! Don't reach for it! Do not reach for that weapon! Put your hands where I can see them. Control 6717. Subject is down. Requesting an RA unit on my 1020 over. Don't reach for that weapon! Just keep your hands where I can see them. Sir, do not reach for that weapon at all! Just keep your hands where I can see them! Get your hands or else you'll get shot!
550 still is engaged for Athens. Complainant soon to be active.
6713. Officer down. Officer down. I need locations. I need 32s on my location right now. Go 3.
532, you're assigned to a vandalism case in Athens. You copy that 505? Yeah, of course.
Control 6715. Suspect is last seen heading north on I-93 over. Finally, Control 6 out of 17. Can you identify yourself? Cruiser Charlie Delta 899.
Didn't hear any, but I had jump looks like we do. 10-4, I just wanted to know if you should be put back 76 to Cabana Circle or